Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Seattle, Washington, South. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located off Interstate 5, this Seattle motel is 2.5 miles from Seattle-Tacoma International Airport. It features simply furnished rooms with a cable TV. Free access to the seasonal outdoor pool and hot tub is provided to all guests of the Motel 6 Seattle South. Laundry facilities and free on-site parking are also available. Air conditioning and a phone with free local calls are included in every room at the Seattle South Motel 6. All rooms include a work desk. Tyee Valley Golf Course is 1.5 miles from the motel. The Hydroplane and Raceboat Museum is a 13-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.